Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add cover on Bluesky app. Start by tapping the Bluesky app icon on your device. On your home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and select the Edit Profile option. Then tap on the cover photo at the top of your profile indicated by an camera icon. Now you will be asked to either upload from the camera or to select an image from your device gallery. Pick the image you want to use as your cover. Once you select the image, you will have the option to crop and adjust it to fit perfectly in the cover photo area. Play around with the adjustment until you are happy with how it looks. Happy with your new cover photo? Tap on the tick mark option at the top right corner and tap Save to set it. So this is how to add cover on Bluesky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.